So guys, actually today's video is a DIY video and we are going to DIY an apron. So I had this white apron at home, a plain basic white apron, and I thought of remodeling it into a pineapple apron. As you know, fruit prints are in trend these days. So I just attempted to remodel my apron. You guys, for this DIY, we will require an apron, potato, fabric paint and a paintbrush. We cut the potato into two halves and form grid pattern on it and then color it into yellow color. After that, we place it on the required spot where you want to print the pineapples. In my case, it is the white apron. And make sure to press it quite hard to get the best pineapple print on the fabric. And guys, after each and every print, you will be required to paint the surface of the potato again and again so that you get the nice shiny pineapple print on your fabric.
Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
I have used the second part of the potato to engrave the upper leafy portion of the pineapple. Then I painted into green color and I'll be taking the excess potato off and I will use it to print the upper portion of the pineapple. So guys, I've messed the first two a little bit, but the rest look good enough and you can also try this. So in the middle portion, you can either print the pineapples. In my case, I have tried to personalize it by writing my name, and you guys can also do the same.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't.
So this is the final look of the apron. Once it dries, make sure to iron it so that the paint stays there for longer and use fabric paint only so that it is washable. Hey guys, if you really enjoyed my video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you liked the video, please do share it with your friends, and while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, see you next time. Bye.